Hello friends, welcome back to Compared. Hope you guys are doing great. I am back with two new exciting speakers today to compare for you. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it now and press the bell icon to stay updated about my latest videos. Your support is much needed and appreciated. We will be comparing JBL PULSE5 to JBL CHARGE5 and see which one sounds better and worth. The PULSE5 has a battery life of up to 12 hours. It features attention-grabbing LEDs and is IP67 dust and waterproof rated speaker. The JBL PULSE5 offers among the best LED effects you can get in a portable speaker, with app-based lighting options and basic EQ. The speaker outputs only mono sound. It gives you 40 watts of output. The PULSE5 lacks physical playback and volume buttons, which is a small drawback. Let's talk about the CHARGE5. JBL CHARGE5 gives you up to 20 hours of battery life. It's an IP67 dust and waterproof rated speaker. The CHARGE5 sounds huge and plays strong enough to saturate outside parties with ponderous sounding response. It has two bass radiators that enhance the bass response of the speaker, providing rich and powerful sound. It gives you 40 watts of output. Now let's play them one by one. Let's listen to PULSE5 first. Now let's listen to CHARGE5. So guys, which one did you like, and why? Tell me in the comment section below. If you like my content, then kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.